what's needed for today's experiment? So now for the experiment.
Hey, where's everybody? Hello? Hey, there you are. So, today our lesson is on wind resistance. That's what this car is here for. Watch this. It's kind of hard to blow over. Good thing the big bad wolf wasn't blowing over a supercar, but was trying to blow over a house. Because, see these curves? They actually let the wind go over it. So this car has a very small amount of wind resistance. Very if you okay, there we go. So let's think. If this was a truck, let's say a big box truck like the moon companies have, do you think it would be easier to blow over? Do you think it would catch the wind a little more? Let's think about that. I bet you know more than you already think you do. You know more than you already, I don't know. You know a lot. You just got to think about it. Yeah, just think about it.
Now here we are again to look at air resistance. We have 3 different vehicles. We have the supercar, very sleek. We have the semi-truck, or it's made by Ford, which is, I've never seen one like that. But if you notice, it's really flat on the front, so I think this one's going to have more air resistance. We'll see. And the little convertible. Alright? So you have these 3 vehicles. And we're going to see what will happen if I blow on it. If I blow from this direction, which one do you think will move the fastest? I mean, they aren't the same weight. So even though this is heavier, do you think it will move faster than the supercar? Or do you think this one will move faster? Or maybe this one will move faster? I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm going to put them on the starting line. Alright, and I'm going to blow on it, and we're going to see what happens. Here we go. So, just to see the effects of air resistance. Whoa! Alright. See the effects of air resistance. Other than having a headache, look what happened. Do you see the results? That's pretty cool. The one with the flattest face caught the most air resistance, and it pushed it away. The second, well, went the second farthest distance. And then the supercar, he didn't even move. Now, getting back over here. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that the wind didn't touch the supercar. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe you aren't thinking. But I would think it. I would think it's a trick, or I would look for glue on the tires. Why doesn't he move? Well, against better judgment, we're going to put something around it that will help show the wind blowing around it. And what will that be? Flour. This is going to go everywhere. if you do this at home, make sure you get permission. I don't want to be the one that gets you like grounded or something. So, oh, a little bit of powder. Hey, it's snowing. It's snowing on Supercar. Okay, so out of the way. I think we'll be able to visualize what is happening with the wind as it goes around this supercar. I hope we do anyway. Once again, I want to man my station and get ready. And this little guy, it's my little action camera. Ooh, I got it dirty. I'm going to put him up close so we can see it as well. So I'll put him right here so he's not in your way. Here we go. Are you ready? I can't do it anymore. That supercar is great at dodging the air resistance. Oh. Oh. Now I'm a little lightheaded. All right. Did you see that? Now, what if there was something we could do to make it suffer from the air resistance? That we shall find out. That's where you need the tape, the paper, and the scissors, and a broom and a dustpan. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay, first, be super careful. I'm going to cut out a sail. A highly technical sail? Not really. Just a square. Now, this paper is a little thicker than normal notebook paper. That's called cardstock. If you don't have cardstock, just take a sheet of paper and maybe fold it in on top of itself like 2 or 3 times. And what I'm going to do, other than drop it, I'm going to fold it over and make this shape. All right, now I'm going to attach this to the supercar. What do you think will happen? Think about it. So, one piece of tape here, go on the supercar. Now, I'm going to put one on the front so it doesn't just blow over like that, right? We want to make sure it doesn't get blown over by the wind. There, look at that. Put it in the middle of it. So let's try it again. Let's see what happens when the wind actually hits something. To your stations. Are you ready? Hey, it moved. So, did it happen like you thought it would? This caught the wind and it pushed it back. Now let's think. Put on your thinking caps. Is there ever a time that you would need to do this, or want to do it, I reckon? Is there something that people do where they might want to catch the wind? What do you think? Let's just say, what happens if it looks something like this? What does that make you think of? Parachute? That's what I was thinking of. Or if it was shaped something like this, and maybe on a boat as a sail. Those are two great examples I can think of where people want wind resistance. Where people want wind resistance. There are many other times that they need it. Think of a windmill. A windmill is out there trying to catch the wind, saying, hey, come over here. So it wants the wind to hit up against it. For project 2, it would be coming at you. We're going to make something specifically to catch the wind. I hope you enjoyed this mini project though. Feel free to try it on other things. Try other pieces of paper, try different cars, and see who can move the cars the most. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Brought to you by Midnight Air, in conjunction with Filled with Ore Productions.